Are you ready to make a move on Zomedica stock? Get ready for an in-depth analysis of Zomedica. Our initial report hit our website on Monday, October 16, 2023, and we're back with even more detailed insights just for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for all the latest updates. Stay ahead of the game and ensure your investments are always on the right track. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unleash the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Hey there! Guess what? Since October 13, 2023, our system has ranked Zomedica as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.70. But here's the interesting part, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Brace yourself, because the stock experienced a loss of -0.65%. That's right, an average loss of -0.33% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. Welcome to our analysis of this stock. Let's dive in and explore its potential. Currently, the stock is experiencing a downward trend in the short term. This presents both challenges and opportunities for investors. Our analysis indicates a potential change of -24.13% over the next 3 months. This means there is a possibility of a return ranging between -35.45% and -20.59%. It's crucial to consider these numbers when making investment decisions. Looking ahead to the 12-month trend, we anticipate a -16.23% change. This suggests a potential return between -40.67% and 27.63% over the next year. It's important to note that this could result in a price range of $0.0994 to $0.214. Breaking news. Zomedica experiences a red day on Monday. The Zomedica stock took a dip of -0.652% on Monday, October 16, 2023, with the price falling from $0.169 to $0.168. This marks a 3-day consecutive decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock had an impressive 6.54% fluctuation, hitting a low of $0.164 and a high of $0.174. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the past 10 days, it is still up by 1.52% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the volume increased by 956,000 shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. A total of 3 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $440.59 thousand. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest point at $0.335 and its lowest at $0.150. Currently, the price sits 50%, or $0.168, below the 52-week high and a significant 94.38%, or $2.81, below the all-time high on June 22, 2018, when the price reached $2.98. Exciting analyst ratings. Hold on to your seats as we dive into some recent analyst ratings for ZOM. Breaking news. On Friday, January 6, 2023, the reputable Dawson James gave ZOM a glowing buy grade with an initialize action. But wait, there's more. On Monday, November 16, 2020, the esteemed H.C. Wainwright also rated ZOM as a solid buy with a hold action. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analysis on Zomedica stock. Are you ready? Analysts have weighed in on Zomedica stock, and the verdict is in. Can you guess what it is? The analysts have given Zomedica stock a general rating of neutral. Let's dive deeper into the details. When it comes to the P/E ratio, the analysts believe it's a buy. That's a promising sign, isn't it? The price-to-book ratio also receives a buy rating. Looks like there's potential for growth. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Keep that in mind. So, what does this mean for investors? Stick around to find out. Are you ready to uncover the potential of Zomedica? Let's dive in. On Friday, September 15, 2023, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point for Zomedica. Since then, the stock has already risen by 4.17%. But here's the exciting part: further ascent is indicated until a new top pivot is discovered. That means there's room for even more growth. But wait, there's more. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal, adding to the positive outlook. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some negative signals have also surfaced, potentially impacting the short-term future of Zomedica. Both short-term and long-term moving averages suggest a sell for the stock, painting a more pessimistic forecast. Moreover, the relation between these two signals indicates a general sell, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On the bright side, if there are any corrections pushing the stock up, it may encounter resistance at $0.172 and $0.173. But breaking through these levels will issue buy signals, opening up new opportunities. Now, let's talk about volume. Zomedica experienced a gain in volume on the last day, despite falling prices. This is called divergence and can serve as an early warning. While increasing volume on falling prices can be seen as positive in certain situations, it's important to consider the context, especially during typical sell-offs. Get ready for some intriguing signals that you won't want to miss out on. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving us a clear buy signal. The pivots indicator also flashed a buy signal 22 days ago, indicating a potential opportunity. And guess what? The Bollinger Bands are also showing a buy signal that occurred 22 days ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average recently gave a sell signal just 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 3 days ago, signaling a possible downturn. But wait! It's not all bad news. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 47 days ago, which could be a promising sign. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. Here's what we discovered. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal just 2 days ago, suggesting a potential decline. Surprisingly, the long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 49 days ago, further supporting a bearish outlook. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 42 days ago, hinting at a possible turnaround. If you're hungry for more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us for a treasure trove of valuable information. Are you ready to dive into the world of Zomedica? Let's explore the support, risk, and stop-loss for this exciting stock. Zomedica has found strong support from accumulated volume at $0.165. This level presents an incredible buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. With average movements throughout the day and a good trading volume, the risk associated with Zomedica is considered to be medium. In fact, in the last day alone, the stock moved $0.0107 between its high and low points, which is equivalent to a 6.54% change. Over the course of the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.31%. Get ready to uncover the potential trading levels for Zomedica. But before we dive in, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data that you need to know. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures how a company's current share price compares to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies go through down periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could be a warning sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Now, here's an interesting tidbit. In comparison to the sector average P/E ratio, Zomedica's P/E ratio tells us a lot about its potential. Keep that in mind as we explore further. And in other exciting news, mark your calendars for the next earnings report. We're expecting it to drop on Nov 13, 2023. This report will provide valuable insights into the company's performance. Welcome, traders. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of day trading and explore some potential levels for Zomedica. Picture this, an upward trend. As Zomedica rises, it will encounter its first resistance level at $0.180. If you're not yet in the game, consider waiting for this level to be breached before you make your move. But for those already holding the stock, this could be a golden opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. Brace yourselves, because Zomedica faces its first support level at $0.165. If this level holds strong, it could be your chance to enter the market and anticipate a rebound. Exciting, right? Are you curious about Zomedica's performance? Well, the combined average rating from multiple analyst sources is currently neutral. But here's what's really interesting. On May 26, 2023, we have Heaton Larry C2, conducting an insider buy of a whopping 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. And just a day before, on May 25, 2023, Power's Johnny D made an insider buy of 100,000 shares of common stock, without par value. But that's not all. On March 16, 2023, Donato Peter went big with an insider buy of 5 million shares of option to buy common stock. Wait, there's more insider action. On the same day, Donato Peter conducted another insider buy, this time of 0 shares. And just a while back, on December 9, 2022, Power's Johnny D made an insider buy of a staggering 1,465,727 shares of options to buy common stock. So, what does this all mean? Well, analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 80.804. It's worth noting that insiders have purchased a total of 94,937,495 shares and sold 11,022,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Hold on tight. We've got some not-so-great news about this stock, and we haven't set a stop-loss yet. Are you wondering if investing in Zomedica stock is a smart move? Well, let's take a closer look. Zomedica currently shows several negative signals and is in a downward trend, suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Our evaluation leans towards a negative outlook for this stock. However, interestingly enough, when we analyze the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is actually undervalued. Now, let's talk numbers. As of Tuesday, October 17th, we anticipate Zomedica to open with a gain of $0.0009 and commence trading at $0.168. Welcome to StockInvest.us, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of trading. But before we dive in, let's establish a crucial reminder: trading involves a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's essential to seek guidance from a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. We prioritize your financial well-being. At StockInvest.us, we provide information to empower you, but remember that it's ultimately up to you to take responsibility for your investment choices. By using our valuable insights, you agree to hold yourself accountable for the outcomes of your investment decisions. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Welcome to our captivating stock analysis. We're thrilled to present our current view on this particular stock. But before we dive in, we want to hear from you. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's start a discussion. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with our future videos. Now, let's talk about the target for this stock. Where do you think it's headed? We can't wait to hear your predictions. As always, we wish you nothing but success in your trading endeavors. Have an absolutely beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.